We welcome you all in this program of Universal Active Mathematics. Let us welcome Siddharth and Gargi, who are with us today to work on fractions. Tell me, where do you use words like fractions or half, quarter in your daily life?
Market.
Market. How do you use it in the market?
Like they shout like arda kilo and 1 kg and
Pizza.
Pizza.
Yes.
When you cut a pizza.
Yes, into 4 pieces, 6 pieces.
Right.
And rotis.
Rotis. We eat half roti. So, for this activity, children are supposed to make their own rotis. 6 circles. Each child would need 6 circles. Now, can you show your circle on the camera? Okay. Now, these circles, they can be pizzas, rotis, dosas, chapati, bhakri, anything as per the context of the child. So right now we are going to call it a roti. So take 6 rotis. You can keep them on your slate. Now, how will you do 6 divided by 2 with your rotis?
We can take 6 rotis and do 2. Keep out 2.
Keep out 2.
Yes.
And you will get
6.
the answer will be, can you do it?
We have to make pairs of the rotis like this.
Can you show it on the camera?
So 2.
So what is the answer of your 6 divided by 2? 3. Now how will you do it? If there are 6 rotis and there are 2 persons, you want to share those 6 rotis. Those 2 persons are supposed to share the 6 rotis equally. How will you do it? So each person gets how many rotis?
3 rotis.
3 rotis. Now you have done it in a different way.
Yes.
You made portions of 2.
Yes.
You gave 2 rotis to each person.
Yes.
And then you said 3 persons got the rotis.
Yes.
That is how you did 6 divided by 2. We write 6 divided by 2 like this also.
Yes.
We have 6 rotis and we divide them equally among 2 persons.
Yes.
And each one gets 3 chapatis. Correct? So the answer of our division is 3. Okay, this is how I have done 6 divided by 2. Now do this. 4 divided by 2. So how many rotis will you take?
4.
4.
And for 2.
Take 4 rotis. Siddharth, take 4 rotis and divide them equally among 2 persons. Okay. And each one gets how many?
2.
2. Show your answer. Hold your answer in your hand. Okay. So each one gets 2. These are 2 parts that you have made.
Yes.
But what is your answer? Just hold the answer. Correct. The answer is just 2 rotis, right? So 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Correct?
Yes.
We are doing division.
Yes.
Shall I ask you next problem?
Yes.
Okay, now do 2 divided by 2.
2
Divided by 2. Do it. 2 divided by 2.
Each person will get 1.
Each person will get 1. Show me your answer. Okay. So 2 divided by 2 is 1.
Yes.
We are doing division.
Yes.
Okay. Next problem.
1/2.
1 divided by 2.
Uh,
So how many rotis do you have now?
1.
1.
1.
So take 1 roti and divide it equally among 2 persons.
We should cut it.
Cut it. Same, exactly same you have to give. It has to be 2 equal parts. Otherwise you are going to fight. People are going to fight. So it should be 2 equal parts. So how many rotis did each one get?
Half.
Half. Can you show it? So we started with division. We started with 6 divided by 2, then we did 4 divided by 2, then we did 2 divided by 2, and now we are doing 1 divided by 2. So this is just an extension of division. This is not a new concept. So half, we call this as half. So when you do this 1 divided by 2, each one got this much roti,
Yes.
half roti. We call this as half and we write it like this.
Yes.
Okay. So this is 1 divided by 2. You took 1 roti and made 2 equal parts.
Yes.
Yes.
And each part is your answer. 1 divided by 2. We call it as half. Are you ready for the next problem?
Yes.
Yes. Now do 1 divided by
4.
4.
Yes.
Take another roti. Take another roti and do it. Take a new roti. So show me this answer to this 1 divided by 4.
Quarter.
Yes, quarter. Each one got a quarter roti. Correct?
Yes.
Now you have some pieces of halves and quarters and some full circles. Can you pass them on to me?
Yes. These are half. And these are quarter.
Halves and quarters
Full.
and full rotis and quarters and halves, right?
Yes.
Now I am going to count our rotis, okay? Just pay attention to my counting.
Yes.
I am counting our rotis. 1,
Yes.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 rotis.
No.
No?
It should be 9 and a half and a quarter.
9.5 and a quarter. You counted like that? Let's check whether this is. Can you count and see whether it is 9.5 and a quarter?
I think 1, 2, 2.5, 3 and a quarter.
2 and a quarter. 2 and 3 quarters.
Yes. 4 and
3 and 3 quarters. See, 3 full and 3 quarters.
3
Hmm.
half.
Hmm.
4
Huh.
4.5, 4 and a quarter, 6.
So count it together, count it there and find out how much
One.
roti it is.
2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a quarter.
Is it 7?
Yes.
Check whether it is 7. This
7
one.
and a half and quarter.
Check it
7
properly.
and 3/4.
7 and 3 quarters,
That's
right?
what I said. 7 and half and quarter.
7.5 and quarter, right? That's right. 7.5 and quarter is 7 and 3 quarters.
Yes.
Correct? Okay, nice. But I counted it as 10.
Yes, because you counted every piece as one.
I counted every piece as 1, which is wrong.
Yes.
So, the main point that we are learning now is whenever we are counting fractions which are smaller pieces than 1, whenever we are counting using fractions or using ones, all our pieces have to be of the same size.
Yes.
So, now give me back all those pieces. Now, can I count it like this? 1 half, 2 halves, 3 halves, 4 halves.
Yes.
Am I allowed to count like this?
Yes.
Yes. Am I allowed to count like this? 1 quarter, 2 quarters, 3 quarters, 4 quarters, right? So, whenever we are keeping an account of how many we have, every time our pieces of counting have to be of the same size.
Yes.
We can either count in halves or quarters or 1 wholes
Yes.
or 1/8s. But our pieces of counting have to be of the same size.
Yes.
Right? This is the first point that we have learned.
Yes.
Okay? Thank you. Now, Gargi, can you tell me how much is this?
Half.
Half. How do you get this? How do you make this? How will you make this? Okay.
Cut a half out of a full.
Cut a half out of a full circle.
Then
Right?
cut half.
So 1 divided by 2. 1 divided into 2 equal parts. So Gargi, can you write this? How will you write this? Good, correct. Now for Siddharth. How much is this?
Quarter.
How do you write this?
Quarter.
1 divided by 4. 1 by 4. Right? Now I'm going to ask Siddharth. Take 3 rotis and divide them equally among 4 persons. 3 divided by 4.
3 upon 4.
How will you divide those 3 rotis? Now forget about the numbers that you have learnt in school. You have this real life problem. You have these 3 rotis and 4 of us are supposed to share them equally. So how will you give it? Think about it. You can discuss together and give it. 4 of us are supposed to share those 3 rotis.
They should be equal.
Equal.
So, ज्यात 2 रोट्या आहेत त्याचे पहिले हाफ करणार सगळ्यांना हाफ 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 देणार आणि
कर बरं.
कट
त्याच घे, एकत्रच करा.
माझी कच्चा पकोडे. ते फर्स्ट 2 हाफ ना.
इक्वल. हां
मी पण आहे.
हां कर ना. तू दुसऱ्या रोटीचे कर.
हाफ. मला कळलं. Then divide this into 4 parts. And then give a half and a quarter. Half and quarter
Correct.
to each.
कात्री खाली ठेव. मग कसे वाटणार आता 4 लोकांमध्ये? डिस्ट्रीब्यूट देम इक्वली अमंग 4 पर्सन्स. Okay, so I asked Siddharth to do 3 divided by 4. So what is your answer of 3 divided by 4, Siddharth? Can you place it on your slate? Correct. That is your 3 divided by 4. Now I am going to ask Gargi. Gargi, you already have some pieces with you. Take 1 by 4. Keep it on your slate. Just 1 by 4. Just 1 by 4. When you divide 1 roti equally among 4 persons, that is how you divide it.
Yes.
But how much of roti each one gets?
Okay. Water.
Quarter. So place this on your slate.
Only quarter.
So now Gargi has kept 1 quarter. आता गार्गी त्याच्यामध्ये प्लस 1 by 4 on your slate. Okay, so you have 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 and now plus 1 by 4. This is what Gargi has made. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. And you have made 3 by 4. Yes. Where is it? Where is your answer of 3 by 4? 3 divided by 4. What was the answer?
This.
So keep it on your slate. Correct?
Yes.
Now how do they compare?
They are equal.
They are equal.
Yes.
So 3 by 4 is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Correct?
Yes.
So now do you understand why when you have 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 you get 3 upon 4?
Yes.
So here you have not added the denominators.
Yes.
You have added only the numerators. Why? Because each of your piece is of the type of 1 by 4. Right? Now look at your pieces. Each piece is 1 by 4.
Yes.
Yes. And how many pieces do you have?
3.
3.
We can
Okay.
even add the denominators, but then they would be reduced and there will be 3 upon 4.
Shall we try?
We can
1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Try and see what happens.
It will be 3 upon 12, and then we can reduce it like 1 upon.
Can you show it on the camera? It will be 3 upon 12, and when you reduce it,
It will be 1 upon.
it will be 1 upon 4.
Yes.
But is that equal to 1 upon 4?
No.
Can we have 3 quarters? We take 3 quarters, and will that be equal to 1 quarter?
No.
No. So it is equal to 3 quarters.
Yes.
It is equal to your 3 divided by 4.
Yes.
But how will you count your pieces? Because your pieces are of different sizes. And what have we seen earlier? That our pieces have to be of the same type, same size. So what will you do to your pieces to get the pieces of the same size?
We can cut this
Cut
half
it.
and
Correct.
to half.
Cut it. Okay. So this was 3 divided by 4.
Yes.
And that was 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Okay.
Yes.
So can we add the denominator?
No.
No. Because the denominator is telling us that we have taken quarters. How many quarters have we taken?
3.
3.
Yes.
So can I write this as 3 times 1 by 4?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
3 times 1 by 4, and that is equal to 3
3
by
upon
4.
Yes.
Correct?
Correct.
Now I am going to write something and you have to make it. You have the pieces required for this. Okay? So, what is this?
1 upon 2.
1 upon 2 or 1 by 2. Place it.
Either this or this. It can be half or 2 quarters.
Half or 2 quarters. You also have a piece of half.
Yes.
So I can either keep half or I can keep 2 quarters. Right?
Yes.
Now keep this on your slate.
1 upon 4.
Good. Take halves only. Don't take quarters. Okay? You can cut another circle if you need.
I don't have a full circle. 3 halves.
Okay, 3 halves.
Yes.
So this is equal to 3 by 2,
Yes. Yes.
correct?
Yes.
Now, clear your slates. Now I am going to take this.
Upon 4.
So which pieces will you pick up? Upon 4. I haven't told you how many, but you have to take pieces of this type, pieces of quarters, right? This number is telling you that we are taking quarters.
Yes.
And how many quarters, that I will tell you now. So take 5 quarters, 5 by 4. He has more pieces. You can give them to her. Quarters. Okay. Now 5 quarters. Is this more than 1 roti or less than 1 roti?
More than one roti.
More than 1 roti.
Yes.
Okay. Good. Thank you.